Hello and welcome back to the machine learning video series. We have looked into supervised and unsupervised learning and have gone into some depth in one of the models just to understand how some of the math works. Now let's look at the last category of machine learning, that is reinforcement learning. It is a type of machine learning that is influenced by behaviorist psychology. It is concerned with how software agents ought to take action in an environment so as to maximize some notion of cumulative reward. It is learning what to do, how to map situations to actions so as to maximize a numerical reward signal. It does not make use of any training data set to learn the pattern, unlike other learning methods. The learner is not told which actions to take, as in most forms of machine learning, but instead, it must discover which actions yield the most reward by trying them. The algorithm takes an action in the environment. For example, it makes a trade in a financial portfolio. It receives a reward if the action brings the machine a step closer to maximizing the total rewards available. For example, the highest total return on the portfolio. The algorithm optimizes for the best series of actions by correcting itself over time. Researchers tried to design a traffic light controller to solve the congestion problem. Tested only on simulated environment though, their methods showed superior results than traditional methods and shed a light on the potential uses of multi-agent reinforcement learning in designing traffic system. There is tremendous work going on to apply reinforcement learning in robotics. A robot was trained to learn policies to map raw video images to robots' actions. RGB images were fed to a neural network and outputs were the motor torques. In other experiments, robots were trained to shoot arrows at a target and even walk like a human. Another field in which reinforcement learning has been successful is chemistry. Researchers showed that their model outperformed a state-of-the-art algorithm and even generalized to dissimilar underlying mechanisms. Above all, reinforcement learning is the mainstream algorithm used to solve different games and sometimes achieve superhuman performance. Reinforcement learning with its self-learning algorithm is inspired by how humans and most other animals function. This makes it unique and different from all other machine learning algorithms and techniques. This also means that reinforcement learning can be employed to solve a whole different domain of problems. This is all for this video. Thank you.